guys banocabanga ukuthi amantombazane kusuku
sibahle kakhulu
bese ngithi kusuku abafana banokwenza izinto snacks nabo shame macede emini yayibo banokusho ukuthi ba straight so this ngithi especially yo guys basiloka abafana especially manje seku 2024 abantu baphumile guys and baphume secretly guys so yeah that's what it is so
actually I was dating another guy so that guy was dating a girl so bathole like bachekile and stuff ngafika ngama phambi kwabo ngathi what's happening yabo wathi guy it's my friend mbuzo girl what's happening it's my boyfriend okay sharp ngathi okay qhubeka ngetopic yenu mina uyangazi ukuthi uzongitholaphi then yeah I found out ukuthi more bisexual right.
Hi guys, stay tuned for Kasi Gay Stories.
Hey guys, welcome to Kasi Gay Stories part 1. I'm Opie O'Brien, the most talked about gay Kasi, and my co-host here.
Hi y'all, my name is Adiba. Like Nazwa Shad Adrian, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Come on, guys, tell me.
Hey Bafiti, Kamara Musosha Wantuana. Mommy is on Facebook. Yeah guys.
So guys, today actually we're going to be talking about how we met. So basically, mina bengahlala Freedom Park, bengihlala eTafanting. So basically ngamuva lapho ngazala Freedom Park. So being is like cause I'm the one like enhlangene nabo kuqala. So bengizizulela vele Kasi then basically ngahlala no Sposh. Okay, uSposh kahle uye ubone mina kahle ubone mina bekasekota shop and stuff bekasekota shop so yena ngazi ukuthi ungazilile kahle
on Facebook,
you know uthi ungazilile ku Facebook then okay ngam direct ukuthi ngihlalaphi ngathi okay uze chomi like mase uborekile uze yo Sposh as the same day ebusuku as a ebusuku straight yo amaceda saqala uxoxa vele I think naye beka amazed ukuthi ubone isistawana I don't know but ongishoke ukuthi uze the same day ngimtarithile but was ebusuku so yeah ndikusposha kakhulu guys
nakithi usakhuluma Peto.
And then that night kwenzakala
Angamthola ngekho Joe. Ngimthola bathi uhambe namangandakhe.
Okay,
then I came
the following day. Yeah, then sababa bangani and stuff. Yabo. Then ingings this is like sisivakashelana every day yabo vele. Then this is like that ndizazi ukuthi ekusuku siyawalka nje ekusuku every time but phezulu ukekerisho like yabona guys bese nje ekusuku because into engicabanga ni engiyaziyo kahle like abafana ne bathanda into abanekusuku guys during the day guys no like
ufuna ukuthina after night
no Tom angithi yazi mos umkhekerisho cala like ebusuku
yeah
so zulisa maybe sekota shop ilapha abafana batholi opportunity yawo then yeah guys then uID basically ati besingamazi guys besi2 then khona omnyogeli so vele uthamiyani
bani ngumfadeko
so bathi khona umngani wabo ofuna like ukubloma nuts no the Splashman okay then okay sharp sayilanda lo kubo like first time vele akaseshayi yo yazi ukuthi basomjwayele ukhombisa ama true colors guys like honestly okay sharp mina no Splash vele siyakubo then actually bengafukuthela nathi angazi bekashayi bekasaba and stuff.
Athi ya meeting nje.
Athi ya meeting. Yo, sathi hi istabeni siya meeting. Okay, sharp. Then
Chomara.
Chomara boga ku meeting.
Inyakhona cho meeting.
Yes, a crash.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp, but ya meeting. Then like slangani naye uID like honestly speaking ne uID I think now you began you coming from park njengami yabo ukuba istabani in a new environment it's difficult masaqala ukufika ne because usitome usboshvele dala hlala indawo zakhe bazokama like mina ne basically bengawazi ulo ongikhombisile like from park yonke yabo so uID naye bekasasomfana so bekasasomfana mara angithi thina ngithi sitabani uyayibona isitabane vele yangithanda bekasasomfana guys
mara ever since again iskin
yo lesikhahlangena
yo dalanga
futhi the day job start kumazi beyafakele bruko
beyafake balejezi
yeah.
Okay, sharp. So mina vele I think I'm not mitala nkinkelisha mina usigameza ohlangene nami nkinkelisha
yeah true.
Okay, sharp. Nangena ngafika ngasinkelisha le yabona guys. So adivele usagcoka njengomfana nasi jaradinda kithi bathi hayi manje adi
Umuntu wakho
chonga sangasho kanjani
bebabuza ukuthi yini ngithi awuyisaya nethi yo mara naye wena ngafaka intweni isha akhekerishe la yabo afani nathi then I vele ustemeza ayishe
dala sepkekerishini
dala nje yabo so yeah
goma
kahle ngithola guys okay sharp then uID besikaza everyday phela sikathola abangani guys besikathola abangani yabo yeah, like yo because every day guys like it's every day bekapheka ekseni
kuthi nje ya
kuthi ngabo 3 nje
abaleki
abiye kwatseni
ayibikekereshwe
so guys uID like sekachinchile I think ube waba comfortable masika chilla nathi yabo masika chilla nabantu afana njengabo because yabo besika ba comfortable then abesegagcoka nje yabona ukhinkelisha nje besika sikaqala nokuqina sekayadreka nje fast yabo guys
sifike kuyathanda ukugcoka yini idorek
idorek neyigcoko guys so ubona ithini ukuthi siyaqina and stuff
mara jubilo
like yo okay sharp then yeah that's what happened orang nama guys
cuma nama friend
yang so this like you get young internet guys young
so okay
something is
who's a friend
sharp like masifan video questions
about what happened esontweni
esontweni
okay chom so I like nje manje uyajola or
kubana I am dating ya
utshali bani my friend
Nosizwe wasephinvili
hayi my friend
wasesikolweni nje
utshela bisho
sitshela kanjani
ayibona chom
utshela online face to face
face to face
like need it
wasesikolweni nje
utshela esikoleni
yeah wena nje dating life yakho
mama ebusuphela yabo so
ama access
man no chomi like
okay guys mina ngifuna usho something ne ngifuna something shit masamba namantombazane
yo
why ngapha nathi maybe simkhinkelisho indlela vele yabona sibahle stuff siyasifila and stuff why manje guys like ngithanda ukunizwa vele ukuthi abafish ayamosha
like choma ngithi zothi sihamba sisonke ama-gay ama-fish
Yeah.
namantombazane so like mase sihamba abafana they won't attract ama-gay
Acabona ama-fish cha.
Yo guys.
Yeah.
And like
Yeah.
most ma-kids, ma-kids.
Guys, most markets that.
Hayi boyitho. Ama-fish.
awinaki
So me ngiyayinaka ne because basically I need of course masihamba nama-fish ne. Vele bakhona like bakhona vele labafana bayothi okay sharp
nazayito
nazayidoko ne. Mara ama-fish anokuzivalela guys. Yabo.
avala ama-channel wethu
Unless
No, especially in Kwari.
Oh, magruba awugrubeki kahle.
Hi guys, like manje mina ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi okay sharp yini inkinga yawo kahle kahle.
like ndothini like kamele sihambe nawo maybe masingayi endaweni because like masihamba nawo masendaweni
So basically ukuthi Chomi singayi nama-fish masibafanele.
yes ngoba like abafana bazojika bafuna ama-fish
Yeah.
Honey. Sure guys. Ungawazi.
Oh,
Jolo wena uphethe kanjani Jolo?
So basically ne for me ngingathi notice after a long time yazi like after a long time because yabaza abafana mas mina I feel like le nto lena ize yasuka kimi ukuthi gays are just for smash and pass yabo because ngingathola umuntu engathi yabo ngathi angithanda
Badla ibadla.
uyazi mos yabona to like umnye guy nje olwethu to
Okay, sure.
uyazi mos like akangifihli to mina ngiyamazi mos yamza akangifihli yabo siyazi like to makana like akana nkinga yabo after first like it was just into enzeke to me
Ibonakalisana.
yeah because ekuqaleni uyazi ukuthi abile uzohlala nomfana beng ufuna lokho vele
Bese uyahamba.
bese basho
into
manje
ejwayelekile vele kuma-feed abantu.
so manje okay ngizokuzwa by one day so what like since CC3 kanje
Abokumeji.
AP i-challenge like okay wayifacea in terms of like abafana like yabo
Okay, mina le like ngizokhuluma iqiniso. Oh, uyangimoshela.
Vele Jolo dank.
Oh, like yo ubuyamosha guys. Yo
Uyamosha.
like abafana ne banokukhuluma nami. Sikathola no
No, like usuke nawo bajikela bazokhuluma. Lapho nje society lakho.
bonke Chomi like Chomi batshele. Sala nomuntu oyi-1.
basically ne guys
Si-2.
Tumezi nokwenza kanjani lento leyo
Njengobani?
Chuma olithi
Bani.
yabona nalo kuthola namanje
Athi
Ukhulume
kodwa
naye,
ufuna add. Bese Adam angaza amjikela.
so inkinga la ukuthi bathi makathi ngiyamashane nami nokunotha cho ukuthi
Njeka le day Jolo ufuna ukuthi sabuse kubutwayo.
yo cho mke yaborile le day cho ngathi okay shaphithi ngimekele ni so mina okwenzeka kanje ne hayi iphi vele la ngikuboshela ku
Hayi ukumoshela like ukuthola nomuntu akwazi ukuthola oyi-1 like nje mangithola nomuntu nawe uyathola like WhatsApp like njani.
No, angithi nisuke like
so mina ngifile ngathi ne because the last time nikwadonjola naye manje ne ukukhulume no Adiqala
Yeah.
before me and bachete WhatsApp before me but
wafika.
wafika so like must say okay sharp lona what she did wrong is ukuthi uposte isithombe uyangithathena kamnandi kanjani uposte isithombe sam naye
Yeah.
guy just turned
Bani?
okay lo oluthi lo esikhuluma ngasho
Yeah,
athi ucela amanamba wami yabo so basically mina fine ukuthi mangimposta C3 iWhatsApp Magtata maybe umfana azari with the blue athi ufuna amanamba kathi of course ngiyadini ngabo
Mara Chomi nayo add wamupha amanamba akho.
azingamnike Chomi wangithola ku Facebook so bese Chomi akusumfana oyi-1 baningi let's say ngithi
Njengalo wase toilet.
Lo last year.
wasemtsaledi uthe nayo futhi uthe akasamfuni wathi ufuna mina
Moshike.
yeah also so it was like it's dead Mara mina ngifile ngathi masi-3 kanje sonke siyamoshelana. Beside lawo ama-fish ke asekena ama-fish.
Ima wait mostly sonke like ubala nami.
Hey yathi siyamoshelana.
Ngokumoshelephi?
Atsho mwena uyafisha.
Always like usimoshele always true. Because ngisakhona idinga ithi ngiyochecka phi lapha
bathula mzala.
athi lo unesitala sokuthi chopitsi gate ngikukhophele. Kwalapha other thing I check athi ngibonile. The day balasezithengi balapha athi the day.
Oh that thing like needless but that is lapha ikakika.
Nyokapa udwa nayo check.
No, chumi like that day. Bokon.
Bengeke eqaleni
usebenza 3. Ukuyinchekile that day. Chumi akafika
angena that day.
Bamjikisile.
Yeah. The second day ukhona chumi that day nanje nikoba lapha nanje. Yacho.
So mina ucabanga ukuthi siyamashana masama sonke.
Mara chumi like into like inchazayo nema sesama sijoba singama chocolate. Like ayikho into emotional nayo shini.
Ani
ngoba like
ngike nabona ukuthi umfana wani makakhuluma sonke siyamithatheni
injalo vele sibona ukuthi like uzoba interested kuba
noma
how
bese nginothile umfana wani makathi hello sonke silana
mina
angithi jumu ukuthi asijikeni say3 sibona so kusho
yeah because angeke umuntu ajika yi1 because mina into yami ngizothi okay sharp samba c3 being like lento le futhi ngithethe from esikolweni angeke umfana shaya iflate wena ubheke kuyi1 uyoba islim so ngithi thuma asibheke emsonke
yeah
so that's the thing yabo but into enginothile ukuthi I feel like masihamba sonke nje sinokumoshela ama how nje especially lo yo shape like loda
we stress
yenze nje ma
chum we need every day day futhi ngicheck nomuntu wami ningasazithengi
mina
yeah
into abaqa
always
chum ngasithenga kanjani ungifighter lesisi boy chum chum
namara
chum wosisi boy
idani is stress guys
mara chum ngasithenga kanjani
kamnandi kanjani ngiyaphoza
no chumi benginamahloni mangibona ukuthi
masoke sesiphuza lapha na like to be honest nje isiphuza sonke
nasikhathi siphuza
nalo bekaphoza afake ne-eyelash
chumi le day ngifike ngabo ma 8 ngifike endlini lapha ngisho kabuzizwe so nathi mina nayi bakadi drive ngathi no sino drive in the kitchen so uma usokuthi ngimfuna kanjani umuntu bekafuna umuntu wakho etweso sisizwe because uthi igaba la usisi siyelizwe usisi boy wamtshela username of Facebook
okay shop asi ngedele uthi okay shops manje ngifukuza anti like into ka yenza ikusuku nabafana nje like nini life from pack like it's toad ngingaza kuzo kuyokhenkelisha phela nokuzithenga mabathamba uthenga etime la emapuleni asesiyaya how
okay true like manihamba nje mangemaphuleni uhlangana nabafana
makhazi uyamkhohlwa
hey
guys
so moke ishaphu thike
unokuhlangana nabafana thuma emaphuleni bathi masambi uhambe vele nawe mawufika lapha uyoculo
uhambe okay ucula ke
yini
ucula labazi ucula
ucula
yeah explain kahle like
ifaka i-camera
chembele big camera kahle ubatshela ucula because mouth yakula understand
okay ucula ngisho like ngisho like
okay so
Lansika yeah
but the stay chama you have to
phuma lapha
chama you leaving them hanging chuma
ukucula la ish
ukucula friend
yeah ukucula ngisho bamba imic
bazibona
guys okay sharp man ukucula hey sharp okay sharp
ijalo
only wena chuma skipani vele ko wena nje uhlezi busy because uhlezi usijunile especially ngama weekends
hlezi umuhle
maceda uyesiyaya ke nawe uyalenda like ubusy Chomi and like uzolibili walk nje angazi umuntu engalikusuka
ebusuku friend
Chomi
phela Chomi angazi like angizilandela into zabafana and stuff
Chomi mara ilandela ringe
life
abathambezi
Chomi lapho
no guys they eat out and to be honest I feel like it's kind of about fun at a point but it's kind of about fun because I feel like I'm a top my line so I'm a bottom my knee so basically plus I'm a fish ayajola into saras so thina asijola into saras we just see like ngathi angazi ngathi but yeah ngiyangisala so the thing is usibashena akafuni ukukhuluma iqiniso
Chomi ngani manje
sizinusiwe Chomi
eziphi into ezenza ebusuku
no like basically angithi into zenze kusuku like what you basically ngathi like into hlangana nazo kusuku phela wena ngiyakwazi
ngiza nabafana ebusuku wahlala nabafana I everyday like
okay no labafana but lo mfana lona uke wamhlangana naye nje nawe amangala ukuthi uyakubiza ungashika manje sika like what happened
okay siyahamba sonke and then enjoy like walking
hayi uthi umhlangane naye kanjani
Chomi like uyangibiza fine hello Slender ngoba vele nje ngiyislender vele start
jamnati ishapu
yeah
baby okay yeah
and then
imiyenza nje
uyangibiza siyahamba
yeah ishapu
Chomi like just daily walk yeah take walk and then sikhuluma about life and then
okay Chomi ke
mina
skiphane na
njengoba buza thina everything
okay basically mina guys mina kunzima nje mina I feel like isitabane esifishayo ne when I'm saying fishing I'm talking about isitabane esigcoka iskate isitabane esichinayo ekusuku labafana banocabanga ukuthi samantombazana ebumnyameni labafana bacabanga ukuthi samantombazana guys so one time vele bengigcoka iskate ngichinile ngokha like ngiyazokhela guys so nginokuthuka usaphuma e-taxi K-sharp ngichinile ngihamba nosigcemeze let me take that one first ngichinile ngihamba nosigcemeze this guy something this guy abazi
ade akuchika shana ngempama Chomi
athi mazama ngishaye impama
Athishe.
let
uyokhapha mina wangitshela
bengihamba nosigcemeze
Chomi that day it was sibizwa taxi driver masifika
benibuya ukhapha mina nabenyakithi nginahamba
Chomi ngisakhumbule but
Yeah.
lilena sikhathi mina ngihamba nosigcemeze then i-taxi drive yabizavela ngicela isiciphe Slender maqeda angazi yo yazi so basically mina nginale mentality ukuthi these people especially esuku akasibonanga kahle uconsa semantombazane yo saye taxi masifike taxi akazi uthi futheka thina madoda
yo
sahamba okay sharp like me guys banoku like ngike ngabona umunye futhi yo it's not like ngiyahlangana nomuntu vele athi okay Slender from behind vele akangiboni Slender azangimela mangibuya nangu iyo umuntu uyakuthuka because we're busy at first but uyakuthuka yabo mara basically lento le ukuthi beyacanga ukuthi intombazana ngibela ngacanga ukuthi okay sharp inkinga uwe or yini ngiyacanga ukuthi intombazana so abafana guys banacanga ukuthi semantombazana kusuku
sibahle kakhulu
bese ngithi kusuku abafana banokwenza izinto ezisnacks nabo shema but macede emini yayibo banokusitshela ukuthi ba straight so this I think especially yo guys bastoka abafana especially manje seku 2024 abantu baphumile guys and baphume secretly guys so yeah that's what it is so Chomi indlela ke ofuna ukweshela abanye abantwana ngokutabanye abasekazi
like vile ukuthi abantu like basekazi ne ungichazela ukuthi like abantu abangakubiza ngamagama don't entertain them because wena uyazi ukuthi kini uphuma njani about this the thing
into echaza nje ungayistophi nje
ngichaza
ungayistophi ngathi kanjalo nje
wena Chomi
So yini chomo ithanda ngobutabane vele? Bofuna kuba intombazana or uthanda ubutabane because I feel like
actually it was like I was born in the wrong catch.
okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Wena?
Ngithanda kuyitabane nje.
Okay, literally stress. Okay, sharp. Manje, basically, okay, this is like it's a tricky question.
Yeah.
Mawuhlangana nalabafana basuke befunani vele kusuku.
You know most.
What I know, I feel like we gain differently, Sonke.
Yeah.
I'm going with my own way. You get your own way. You get your own ways. So that's why. I'm happy now. But other sort of okay, sharp. But man is like eating. I'm trying. It's me. Not trying. It's okay, sharp. So in that month, so about me, so it's okay, sharp. You don't need that.
Bafuna nje i-service nje usuku.
Savings.
Bafuna ama-service kuphela.
Yo, why bafuna ama-service vele?
Mina ngiyabangisha ke.
Why bafuna ama-service kusuku?
Angazi.
Honest.
Wena.
Champion angazi nangihlezi ngibancintsha.
Yacho mayibo.
Bafunani?
Bafunani bona.
Into vele ejoyela abafana.
Bafuna nje abafana bazazi bajayele nje
ajuba you're afraid
ikheke jomne
you're afraid
okay sharp nokucula ngisho
nokucula jona
manje ngiyacula jona
yeah kalisijwayela ngalezithu so yeah
yeah iposto beza acula shota stuli yabo orikanjani ngiculi
yo
kamene ngithi ngiyacula
Tommy sifunde ukuthi
like honestly sare la if you pack nahlale nawe nje beqaleni so yabona nje ake ngithi ngifunde kwe my friend ni dala mina nje like
ugoma
I think ukuthi ezalatsho ezike special zokuthengisa amabhodlela for ukufuna attention yabo just ukuthengisa guys sokuthengisa amabhodlela uyithola so I feel like yeah ezinye izinto ke sharp ikazi khona izinto eziningi esizenza guys ziningi so yo the stories are too much guys the stories are too much
yeah
so let's talk about Labanten this number from Hake and this man
manje angikubhizi ngisule
wawuthile my friend cause ngisimbo ujola kamnandi
nje
asishiya every time cela namajezi wakhe ashiya khona
Julius Bunch.
was it even a relationship?
Yes, it was.
Oh,
for how
really?
many years? How many months?
For 3 months. Yeah, 3 months.
Chamara, why bekakufihla John?
I feel like you have to understand umfana nje mangafuna ukuphuma. Yeah, mawumthanda uyamthanda, if awumthandi angazi. Yeah, mina ngimthanda noma like akasifihli.
No, Jomimos, when you told me ukuthi umuntu wakho is top gay.
It's not top gay, it's bisexual, but like as I say closets.
Manje ungathola nomuntu o bisexual.
Yeah.
Wena?
Why?
No, Jom, like ngifeel ngathi like ngiyislima mina because like masingaba ebantwini bathi gayikhetha angeke akhethe isitabane uzokhetha intombazane that's why.
That's true.
Mina ngajola actually.
Why?
Ngithanda. Ngicela nawe.
I mind ukushare my friend.
I mind.
So should the guy date your guys same time or
yes, fine? Mind.
Ima unganzani? Okay.
Bella, like what do you even mind?
I don't mind
everything.
Yes.
Sure. Tell me.
Everything iba normal nje.
Wena okay.
Ungiphi isikhathi sami nje. Ungiphi isikhathi
so like
ufuna isikhathi sami
ukufihla like ngibona ungathi ugaya ukwenza useless and stuff.
Kanjani?
Uyakufihla wona uzothi ebantwini ujwayela lo guy mase
wena ufuna ukwenza ebantwini.
No guys,
so ufuna ebantwini. Hayi uyahlekisa shape.
Hayibo kabla bayazi ukuthi ujwayela hayibo ngiphela.
Okay, sharp. No, okay, sharp. Ngifuna ngathi uthi mina yena ufuna ngibe indoors shukuthi was story
Thana nje.
hey yeah because
Thana ujwayela ama-indoors. Yeah.
Thomo ke shabonga futhi ukuthi uhambe noganga ngaphandle ufuna ukwenzani what do you want to do
Siyaphi ngaphandle masiphuma.
Ngiyathatha i-walk ukuthi abantu banibone ukuthi okay are this dating.
Kesha
Yebo.
Okay.
so just like it's we are getting different because
Hey, yeah.
mina lento lezo I would never
Hayi nama ama-indoors angwanaki kakhulu.
yo to ayike shame
Ngiyamfihla nafihlane kusho.
Sikwafihliwe nje.
Hayi bo.
Ngitsambe ngafihliwe
Sikwafihliwe.
hayibo my friend so when I show me like basically awufuna umuntu bisexual ufuna umuntu strictly gay
bisexual people.
yini inkinga yabo
Like Jimmy, I was dating another guy, ne? So that guy was dating a girl. So umbathole like bachekile and stuff. Ngafika ngama phambi kwabo ngathi what's happening yabo? Bathu guy, it's my friend. Mbuzo girl what's happening? It's my boyfriend. Okay, sharp. Ngathi okay, qhubeka ngetopic yenu. Mina uyangazi ukuthi uzongitholaphi. Then yeah, I found out ukuthi I'm bisexual, I'm correct.
Wena wena ukuthi bisexual.
I'm bisexual guys inkinga ukuthi mina basically I wanna like mangithi we getting different mina I think I don't deserve umuntu also yo engizoshare naye nomuntu
Mara the thing chomne ukuthi ukayibala ngifihli shini.
mina ngiyangifili mina basically angifuni I don't want to umfana esobasi adlala adlela around bitches I ain't calling guys no because I feel like umfana belazazi awufana nokuthi makathi yazi inkinga ukuthi mina ngisifanisa ngokwefish I can connection
Ngisifana kwefish chom because like angeke ngizothi ngintombazana ngishare indoda negay.
Yeah, chobika ubona namantombazana afuna ukushara amadoda namagay. That's why nami njalo shoma angifuna ukushara okay, angeke kube no girl lapha so a neighbor. Uthoma kama idrinks guys.
Choma swela like lento like njengoba uthi awumind. Uwoze egcineni beslim.
Kanjani?
Because like chomi
Okay, ugayi nje ukuthi uyi-bisexual.
Manje choma manje belajolena no-2 same time.
Okay, sharp. Chomi makangafika okay ahle no girl. Uzothi girl afi athi Mhlaliso.
Okay, sharp. Okay guys, nganizwa ke guys. So anything you wanna ask? Something.
Mina?
Hey, combination.
Okay, so
It's a written.
So, of course, like we have to repeat with my advice to the young kids watching. So, it is to start by you, sisters.
Okay. Mina ngathi nginga-advise ukuthi like ungasifihli man. Phumani be-happy.
Bangasifihli, bayasifihli. Hawu.
Nje ningasifihli. Uyahlala yasifihli.
So like ngiyaceda bangasifili.
Wena ngena ke?
Yeah, very true like me. Mo wazi ukuthi kini they accepted that you gay.
Nje.
Phuma estradini uwazi ukuthi kini bathi u gay yabo. So like abantu mabazi ukuthi estradini ukuthi stabana you need to be more proud with bakubiza ngestabana because you know inside that yes I'm gay but nothing.
So forget that I was my friend.
No friend like ukuthi like I'm showing a comment ukuthi kwamanye ama-gay when they grow up they need to be like yabo. Yeah, that's the thing.
So manje ufuna ukuthi lama young kids afane namacabanga.
Yeah, like village mne ngiro model yamanye ama-gay engwabona eKaslami.
Okay, then nganja.
Kamnandi kabuhlungu.
Okay guys, my advice to you guys is that I feel like gay ngendlela zakho don't ungakophi ukuthi umuntu gay kanjani.
Kanjani yeah.
Gay ngendlela zakho ungazama ukuba umgelisi because ungazama kuba yini
Nebachama ngama-frontal.
a neighbor like gay ngendlela yakho uzoba mnandi shame, uzoba right, kamnandi kanjani
kabuhlungu kamnandi
nje.
Yeah.
It's fine.
seva
Yeah.
okay uvala friend banavalayo
Angazi, should we say
Evalwa kanti.
vala teto
Vala.
Subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.
guys ngicela subscribe
Kamnandi kanjani?
kabuhlungu
Kasi gays.
Kasi days.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Thank you.